Should human cloning ever be allowed? Should human cloning ever be allowed? This question stirs up a lot of emotions and debates. Let's break it down. Human cloning is the process of making a genetically identical copy of a person. This is usually done through a method called somatic cell nuclear transfer. In this process, scientists take the nucleus from a body cell and place it into an egg cell that has had its nucleus removed. This can lead to the development of an embryo. While cloning happens naturally in identical twins, artificial human cloning is still very much in the experimental stage and raises many concerns. From a scientific viewpoint, there are huge technical challenges. Just because a clone has the same genetic makeup does not mean they will have the same traits. Environmental and developmental factors play a big role in shaping who we are. So far, attempts to clone humans have not resulted in any successful births. Most embryos created through cloning have been destroyed early in the process for research purposes. Now, let's talk about the ethical side. Human cloning raises serious questions about individuality and human dignity. Creating genetic duplicates could lead to exploitation or a loss of personal identity. Many countries have banned human cloning due to moral objections and fears of potential harm. For instance, reproductive cloning is often criticized because it could be misused for trivial reasons, like cloning someone for their looks. This could distort how society views life and diversity. On the flip side, some people argue that cloning could have medical benefits. For example, it might help generate patient-specific stem cells to treat diseases or assist infertile couples in having children that share their genes. However, these medical goals do not necessarily require creating a full-cloned human. Instead, they focus on cloning cells or tissues. When we think about human cloning in the context of experimental science, it stands out as one of the more bizarre areas of research. The idea of creating a genetic double sounds like something out of science fiction. The strange results from this research, like hybrid embryos or claims of success that later turned out to be false, show just how unpredictable this field can be. It raises questions about identity and the limits of scientific experimentation on human life. In summary, while human cloning presents intriguing possibilities, it is filled with technical hurdles and serious ethical dilemmas. Most societies currently reject the idea of reproductive cloning due to concerns about human dignity and identity. This controversial experiment challenges our understanding of what it means to be human and where we draw the line in scientific exploration.